How's it going, guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to unlock your iPhone XR. It's going to be really simple. I'm going to try to do it as clear and as simple as I can. We're going to do it together step by step, and I'm going to show you how to unlock your phone to use it with any carrier. For example, my phone is locked to AT&T, and I'm going to unlock it to use it with T-Mobile or any other carrier worldwide. So your phone is going to be compatible with in any country, in any with any SIM card. So to unlock your phone, you're going to need a computer, the USB cable, and your iPhone, of course. So before I start, I have to mention a couple of things. Your phone must not be reported as lost or as stolen. If there's a problem with your IMEI number, you will not be able to unlock your phone. So keep that in mind. And by the way, unlocking an iPhone is not free, so we will have to pay something to unlock this iPhone, but it's worth every penny to have your phone fully unlocked and compatible with any carrier. It brings a lot of benefits, and if you decide to sell your iPhone later, you can sell it at a higher price because your phone becomes more valuable if it's fully unlocked. Alright, so with that said, let's begin. So the first thing is to get your phone's IMEI number. Simply open the dial pad and dial *#06#. And you will see that your phone's IMEI number will show up in the screen of your phone. Keep this number very close because we're gonna use it in a few seconds. So just keep it somewhere close. We're gonna switch to the computer right now. Alright, so the next step is to go to the website unlockpanda.com. In this website, we will request the remote unlocking of the iPhone. So everything is gonna be done remotely. You don't have to do pretty much anything with your iPhone right now. So we're gonna start by selecting the original carrier that your phone is locked to. My phone is, in this case, locked to AT&T. That's the place where I bought it originally. So I'll select that one. Then you have to select the brand of the phone. In this case, I'm gonna select Apple, and then select the model. This will work for any carrier. So I'm gonna select iPhone XR. And then you have to write down the 15-digit IMEI number. That's the number we got a few seconds ago. So I'm just gonna write it down here. Lastly, you have to write down your personal email where you want to be notified when your iPhone has been fully unlocked. So I'm just gonna write it down here. You can also insert your mobile number if you wanna receive notifications with regards to your order. If you scroll down, you're gonna see the price to unlock your phone and the delivery time. So this will always vary depending on your phone's brand, carrier, and model. So the price and the waiting time is not gonna be the same as you see right here because it's constantly changing. Anyways, I'm just gonna hit unlock now. And on the following page, you're gonna see a summary of your order. Double check everything here. It's quite important information that you need to read before unlocking your iPhone. But don't worry, as I said before, I have unlocked many iPhones this way and it's completely safe and super simple. In this case, I'm gonna scroll down and I'm gonna place my order. It's gonna take a few seconds, so I'm gonna be back once my order has been fully placed. So after you complete your order, you're gonna see a screen just like this. Pretty much confirms that your order was placed successfully, and now all you have to do is wait. You have to wait until you get the email notifying you that your iPhone has been fully unlocked. This may take a couple of days, so you have to be very patient, but once you have waited the estimated amount of time, you're gonna get an email just like this. I'm gonna show you the example of the email I got when I got on my iPhone unlocked. So as you can see here, I got an email from Unlock Panda saying that my iPhone has been fully unlocked. It says that my phone was unlocked successfully, and now we need to activate the unlock. So there are basically two methods, the Wi-Fi method and the iTunes method. For this example, I'm going to use the iTunes method. Simply, we just need to connect the iPhone to iTunes. Alright, so the final step is to insert an unsupported SIM card. So I'm just going to go ahead, remove the SIM card tray, and my phone is locked to AT&T. So I'm going to use a SIM card from a different carrier. In this case, I'm going to use a SIM card from T-Mobile. So I'm just going to go ahead, insert it here. And then you have to connect your phone to iTunes using the USB cable. Make sure you're running the latest version of iTunes. So we're just going to connect it and we're going to wait until iTunes detects the phone. Perfect. Now you're going to see that your iPhone has been fully unlocked. You're going to get a message, and this pretty much confirms that the unlock was successful, and now your phone is fully compatible with any carrier in any country. So after a few seconds, your phone will detect that you have inserted a new SIM card, and you should be able to get the name of your new carrier, in this case T-Mobile. So that's how you unlock an iPhone, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section and I'll try to answer all of them. Thanks so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.